We started exploration in 1991 in Africa, and we were the first indigenous company that was afforded the opportunity to invest in deep water West Africa. In fact, we were the first one to discover oil in deep water West Africa. Our partners at that time were BP and Statoil of Norway. So for us, we are an exploration, development, and producing oil and gas company in Africa today. We continue to look for exploration opportunities, both in West, East, and now in South Africa, as you have been reading about the tremendous opportunities that lays offshore South Africa. So we are looking at that, and we believe that in listing on Johannesburg Stock Exchange, it will enhance Camac Energy the opportunity to make its opportunities and its shares available and accessible to South African individuals and South African institutions. So that's what we are doing, because we believe that South Africa, Johannesburg Stock Exchange, is one of the top 20 in the world. It's very transparent, very high degree of corporate governance, and they do provide accessibility to investors that will afford and give Camac the opportunity to create liquidity. So our investment is not going to be a window dressing. It's not going to be just a facade. It's going to be very active. And in fact, we have made available to Johannesburg Stock Exchange 10 million shares, of which 2.5 million shares will be tradable as from this morning. And hopefully, and as we have undertaken to Johannesburg Stock Exchange, we will make 20% of our outstanding and fully issued shares available to the public here in South Africa. Today, as the owner mentioned when I was being introduced, there are only 4 companies, including Camac as of today, that are on the oil and gas space. That is Sasol, Statoil, O&O, and now Camac. And when you look at the size of Sasol, it's in a class by itself because of the sheer significance of its asset base. When you look at the other 2, they are smaller and they are not trading based on historical numbers. We will be trading. We will provide liquidity in terms of our currency, and we believe we will expose South Africans to oil and gas opportunities that had not before been available to them. Whereas some may consider that Sasol is much bigger now and they may not want to invest in it, we believe they can actually get into Camac Energy on the ground floor and be able to grow with it with the tremendous opportunity pipeline that we have.